guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can increase your virtual memory to make your PC run faster or to perform multiple tasks. Now, for you to increase your virtual memory, let's first check the size of your virtual memory by going to settings. So when you go to settings, go to storage, show more categories. Now you see 16 and reserve, you click on it. Now you see your virtual memory, the size of it. Mine is to 4.2 gigabyte. Actually, my virtual memory was 5 gig and it will be increased to 4.2 gig. And this helped me in terms of playing video games and video editing. So now let's start with the increasing of the virtual memory. So you search for advanced system on your computer, then you go to advanced, go to settings, you go to advanced. Now you see your virtual memory there, you go to change. Now you go to custom size, then you see initial size. Now for you to get your initial size, you must multiply 1.5 by your RAM you are using. I'm using 16 gigabyte, so let's do this. Before you multiply 16 by 1.5, you must convert the 16 gig to megabyte. So every 1 gig is equal to 1024 megabyte times 16. I'll multiply by 16. I will give you 16,384 multiply by 1.5. So which will give you 24,576 if you are using 16 gigabyte. But if you are using 8 gig, this is how to be. So to be 1 multiplied by 8, which will give you 8,192 megabytes multiplied by 1.5. So to give you 12,288 for your initial size when you want to increase your virtual memory. So if you are using 4 gig too, this is your procedure. Plus 124 multiplied by 4, which should give you 4,096 multiplied by 1.5, which will give you 6,144 for your initial size. Then after finding the initial size, you must find your maximum size. In the maximum size, you multiply your RAM by 3. So to be like this. So for 16 gig to be 1024 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 3, so which will give you 49,152 megabytes for your maximum size. For those who are using 8 or for 8 gigabytes, to be 102 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 3, which will give you 24,576 megabytes. And for those who are using for gig, so it will be 1 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3, I'll give you 12,288. So after this calculation, then you input it in the initial space and the maximum space you are fine. Then click on set, go to OK, you click on apply, then go to OK. The machine will tell you to restart. After doing this, then you restart. So after restarting the machine, then you go back to settings, go to storage, you find for system and reserve, you go to system and reserved. You see that your virtual memory have changed.